Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the BITS Pilani notification for the PhD admission for the year 2021 and 2022. So in this video we are going to cover all the aspect of this PhD admission. We'll check all the important dates, eligibility, the form. So everything we are going to cover in this video. So before that, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications for our future videos. And if you like the video, please press the like button so that it will encourage us to come with such more important and informational videos. So let us see the notification for the BITS Pilani PhD admission. So we are into the official website of BITS Pilani. As you can see, once you come to the home page of this BITS Pilani, you can click on this doctoral program. So let us see what is the details. So as you can see, it is the PhD program for the first semester academic year 2021 and 2022 is now open. So applications are invited for the admissions to the PhD program full-time and part-time in Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad campuses. So that means in India there are 3 campuses as you can see, and another is one at Dubai. But this PhD notification is for 3 campuses, that is BITS Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad campuses. So there is the online application form, we'll check this in this video, and there is also a PhD brochure. So we'll also check this. So let us see what is the details. As you can see, BITS Pilani is one of the very reputed institute in India, having more than 17,000 students across its campuses. It is Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad, and also in Dubai. Alright, so you can check the details from the official website. Okay, so the following departments is available for the PhD program, that is engineering, science, pharmacy, economics and finance, humanities, social science, management. Also the programs are available. So we'll check this in this video only. So you can check the departments: biological science, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil, CSIS, EEE, it is computer science. So humanities and social science, economics, management, mathematics, mechanical, pharmacy and physics. So all the department PhD are available. You can see in the Pilani campus the full-time courses are available, and in the Goa full-time courses are available, but only civil and pharmacy is not available. For the Hyderabad campus only management discipline is not available, and you can check the part-time as well, which is available and which is not available. Alright, so what will be the minimum eligibility criteria? It is ME, MTech, MPharm, MBA, MPhil, minimum 60% aggregate, MSc, BE, BPharm or an equivalent degree, minimum 60% aggregate. For the admission into the humanities and social science, MA degree, minimum 55% aggregate in the qualifying degree examination. So in addition to that, department may set a specific admission criteria for shortlisting meeting the minimum eligibility qualifications. Does not guarantee admission into the PhD program. So that means the management will have separate admission criteria for the admission. So there will be a written examination along with interview, like all the other PhD programs. So for the full-time students, preferably individuals who would like to pursue PhD in-house, okay, residing on campuses. So if you are planning for the full-time PhD program, you have to stay in the campus, and if you are planning for the part-time or applying part-time, So preferably individuals who are working in organizations providing basic facilities and environment for research, right? So what will be the financial assistance? It provides a fellowship of rupees 28,000 to 31,000 per month. Okay, so I'll check this in a while. So there is a beadsadmission.com website. Okay, there you can check all the details. So let us see the brochure. So in the brochure almost the informations are same, but it is given little elaborated in manner. All the things are same as we have discussed. The PhD which are admission PhD are available. The criteria is also mentioned here. Financial assistance is also mentioned here. Okay, so here is the important dates. Admission portal will open from 26 June 2021. Last date of filling application will be 26 July 2021, and declaration of shortlisted candidates will be on 31st July 2021, and test or interview will be on 9 to 16 August. So date will be notified to you if you are shortlisted. And announcement of the admission to the PhD program will be on the official website of BITS on 23rd August, and it will start from 30th August. Registration will be 1st of September. Okay, so this is the application process. There is an application link. Along with that, hard copy of the application form is not required to send. It is not required to send the hard copies. Only you need to fill the online applications, that is enough. But you need to take a printout of this application form. While it may be required during your interview, for the future reference it is mentioned that you need to have a printed copies. Okay, so deadline will be 26 July, as you can see, 5 PM. There will be non-refundable application fee of 2600, which will be payable at the time of online submission form. So while doing this filling this form, you need to pay 2600 Indian rupees. Okay, so this is the test, the written test. You can check. So there will be 30 multiple choices questions. Test will be so test 1 will be regarding the general science, reasoning, analysis, research aptitude, like this, and test 2 will be based on the subject matter. So that will be 70 multiple choices. So candidates with MPhil, ME, MTech or any national level fellowship like CSR, JRF are exempted from taking the above test. Okay, so like this you can check the details from this notification. I'll put this link in the description so that you can go and check all the details. Let us see what are the other details available. So here you can check the subjects, the syllabus. It is nothing like the syllabus of the subject. For the test, if you are preparing for the test, so here is the complete syllabus. So let us go to some other important notification. So let us go to the online form. Okay, so this is the online form. So all the details is given. I have already told you that 2600 Indian rupees will be a application fee, which is non-refundable. Okay, you can pay through PayUmoney, payment gateway. So once you click on this, you will go to the form directly, and you need to fill this form and have a 3-step process to fill up the form. And you have to also upload the scan images of photograph signature that must be in between 50 to 100 KB. Okay, and the fee through the payment online mode. So once you click on this next mode, you need to fill all the details of your one and also pay the fee in the same procedure. So this is all about the BITS Pilani PhD notification for the year 2021-2022. So if you like this video, then do not forget to press the like button. It encourages us, and also comment below if you have any suggestions and queries. I love to solve this. And if you have any suggestions, please email us, and follow us in all our social media handles. Please join us in our Telegram channel so that you will get all the latest notifications. And please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And we are also encourage you to watch all our past videos regarding the PhD admissions in different universities. So thank you for watching this video.